YouTube, welcome back to another investment video. As you guys can tell by the sound of my voice, I am extremely hyped up right now. Market's up for me 1.3%, which is not huge, but for me it's huge. So let's get right into it. Portfolio was up early in the morning, just at around the time the stock market opened up. So just around the time the stock market opened up is when I took a tumbling. I was down for about an hour, I think, just less than an hour, just about. Half hour later, I went up. Still was down a little bit after that half hour. And then once we hit the market closing time at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when I started to go up in the after hours trading. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm still up right now. As you guys can tell, I'm up 1.1% as it's still going up and down. So it's like I can't really give an exact number. See, it says 1% now. So it's always fluctuating up and down. So markets are always unpredictable, obviously. Cryptocurrency and other news is up by a lot right now. Like the Pepe meme coin is up, the Shiba Inu token is up, Bitcoin is up by almost $3,000 today. Almost, we were very close to $103,000 today, which is insane. We did start off just at $99,000. It looks like, yep, that's exactly where we started. And we were very close to $103,000 today, which is crazy. Dogecoin for some reason is stuck at 40 cents. There's an article down here talking about it. Dogecoin price stuck around 40 cents. Why isn't Doge moving? Well, honestly, I wish I had an answer for that. I don't know if it has to do with people hesitating to buy it or if it has to do with a lot of people selling off. But I would still recommend buying this. But you guys, the one thing I haven't really been saying in my videos with the investment stuff, you guys need to be extremely careful with the cryptocurrencies. They are extremely unpredictable, and I don't want to be the reason you guys lose money and you point fingers at me and saying, oh, you told me to buy this and stuff. I'm not trying to be that person, but I just urge you guys to invest with extreme caution, extreme rationale, use your heads, think outside the box, do your research, all that type of stuff, okay? Because you can profit a lot of money off of cryptos, but you have to be very careful how you invest it. With the cryptos, you need to buy it in the dips. Basically, what that means, you have to buy it while it's dipping and when the prices are low. Definitely always buy when the prices are low so you can do what's called averaging down. So like, as you guys can see, like a good example, it says average cost 0.39 cents there. So if I was to buy it less than that, like if the Dogecoin price was to drop at 38 cents, basically the average cost for me would go down, and it's called averaging down. You can look it up. There should be an AI overview that pops up talking about it. XRP is also up too as well. I know it was down 3 days ago on December 10th. It was down to $1.93. Yeah, $1.93, as you guys just saw there. Microstrategy stock, on the other hand, hit the Nasdaq 100. Congratulations to you, Michael Saylor. I'm also down on this stock too as well, but it's gonna definitely go up 100%. For sure, it's gonna go up 100% on Monday morning. Come Monday morning when the stock market opens up. I know people were bidding and asking for certain prices of the Microstrategy stock. Here's the article on Microstrategy hitting the Nasdaq 100. Here it is. Microstrategy secures Nasdaq 100. Microstrategy secures Nasdaq 100 inclusion after Bitcoin fueled stock surge by routers. Bitcoin bull Microstrategy joined Nasdaq 100. That's insane, guys. They just joined the Nasdaq 100 today. When I saw that, when I hopped on like 20 minutes ago or so, I was extremely hyped up. I was like, wow, that's some big news. That's some very huge news. So come Monday morning, I guarantee you guys, MicroStrategy stock is going to be up. I know the past week it's kind of had a pretty rough week, I guess I should say. It had a lot of ups, and then just like went down, and then it went back up, and then it went down. It's just like going for a roller coaster ride at this point. You guys definitely want to keep an eye on this stuff, because we are approaching mid-December by next week. By the time next week starts, we'll already be literally in the middle of December, which is insane. December of 2024. And I believe 100% on my conscience that the crypto markets are going to heat up to unprecedented levels close to the end of the year. And on the day of Trump's inauguration, it's going to be insane. I'm hearing some stuff that I don't know if it's going to really be high up on inauguration day. I don't know. But my prediction, though, is definitely the fact that cryptos and stocks are going to be up on Inauguration Day. Probably not every stock's going to be up, obviously, because there's always days where there's certain stocks that are up and certain stocks that are down. But when it comes to Inauguration Day, I think there's going to be a vast majority of stocks are going to be up in green and not red. But you guys definitely want to be careful with cryptocurrencies. Invest at your own risk. You guys definitely should buy the cryptos right now, but wait till they go down. If they do go down at all, keep an eye on that stuff, guys. When it goes red, buy it in the dip. If it doesn't, you're probably gonna have to wait, because if it keeps heating up, you probably won't have it going down anytime soon. But that can always change, because that's the markets. That's not me or you guys. That's just how the markets are. Very unpredictable. Someone can just sell off their whole portfolio of cryptos and it's like, oh, price goes down. Or someone could just buy it up, be greedy, and then whoop, stock price goes up. Well, in this case, not stock. Cryptos are its own thing. Cryptos are cryptos. They're not stocks. They're decentralized, unregulated. They are highly risky, but they are definitely worth the investment and and any funds you have to like put in there. Basically, you can definitely profit a lot of money off cryptocurrencies for sure. But invest at your own risk. I'll keep an eye on this over the weekends. I got some events to attend to. I got some special videos coming out Saturday, Sunday. So stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and keep an eye on the crypto markets until next week, Monday, when the stock market opens up, and I'll catch you guys next video.